Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with a channel update. We really love that the weather's cooling down and we're able to get these cars out and really enjoy driving them around. So we'll show you a few things in this video. Here's the white GT, my daily, does such a great job. Whole story of that in the video description. Here's my cousin Zach's 03 Mach 1, same color and year as my Mach 1.
That's a huge gouge in my hood right there.
So what happened to Semi did what?
It left a huge gouge. It threw like a piece of metal or something in my hood and took a whole chunk out of my hood.
That sucks.
It sucks. Yeah. Still sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Got a lot of acid. See, girl?
This car actually has a aviator engine in it, 6-bolt crank. He had spun a bearing, and so it sat for a while, but he finally has a new engine in it.
All right, this is cousin's Mach 1, not mine. You just gotta be careful with it. Third, okay, fourth gear. There, she's in. Nope, not in. There, got it.
I mean, do you know what it could be? Do you think it's
'01 and '02 wheels. If you look at them, they're almost like a mineral gray. And look at the texture. 03, 04 is almost like dark shadow gray. And look at the texture here, very smooth. So there is a difference between 01, 02 bullet wheels and 03, 04.
Another friend of ours came over who also has a Mach 1 in 04, and it had a hanging idle issue from the IAC, and I have the video to that in the description.
There you go.
Yeah, just hold it like right there.
Yeah,
drops right back down.
Wiring. Farmhouse burger. Let's go. We're here. Cobras are chilling outside in this beautiful weather outside. St. George, it's only like 80 degrees in August. It's crazy.
Good day. Heck yeah, look at that egg just running down the leg.
eggs on the run. Runny eggs. Just not a runny nose. That's all. You driving in this thing? Going like 2 miles an hour down the road?
Yeah.
Breaking down? Red and yellow are colors for clowns, but black and white for royalty and nobility.
Princes and kings. Same with the Ambrose. Look at that. That's way good. Look how clear that is. That's way nice. Looks like a brand new window there now. Stormy day. GT. Check out this 5th gen. Wait a minute. What? Check that out. That's pretty good pizza place here. So we have pizza from somewhere else. But Justin and I used to go here a lot, so we're just kind of chilling out. This used to be a Dairy Queen before they built their new location because the mountains were coming down on this one.